இப்ப நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் பாக்குற பாட்டு வந்து திணை மருதம். மருதம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலேயே நம்ம என்ன நினைச்சிருக்கணும் அப்படின்னாக்க, there is a misunderstanding between the hero and the heroine that is known as love quarrel. The misunderstanding or love quarrel is known as மருதம். தமிழ் அதுக்கு பேரு ஊடல்னு பேர். ஊடல், புலவி, பிணக்கு, these are all the synonyms for that love quarrel. If you are going to talk about the love quarrel in Tamil, it is called oodal or pinakku or pulavi. All the three words are the synonyms. So what is the, because Talavan is having an extramarital affair. So the heroine is not willing to allow him. After having that affair, that hero is returning to his house. By way of saying the hero, the heroine is not interested to allow him in. This is the situation. How we are saying in Tamil naka, vaayil vendi thalaivan varugiran, appa thalavi vaayil marukar. Vaayil means the hero is expecting the permission from the hero. Hero is expecting the permission from the heroine to come inside of the house. Appa kovathoda irukka, she is standing angrily. This is the situation. Please understand, in order to avoid or in order to compromise the love quarrel, in those days there were 10 elements were there. How to avoid love quarrel? If the husband and wife are having the love quarrel, how it will be getting solved? Means there are reasons are there. One is the Panan will come and help them out. Panan means the musician. Then the Tholan will come. Tholan means the friend of the hero. Tholi will come. Tholi means friend of the heroine. Then the mother will come and solve the problem. Or the foster mother will come and solve the problem. And the son or a daughter, they can. And the scholarly people in that local area, they are known as Arivar, because they know the local philosophy and they know the general philosophy of the life. They will come and talk to them and solve the problem. Then finally the season, because if it is a breezy season, how long they can maintain the angry with themselves? At some point they have to come for the compromise. That is called the season. Another one is called the virundu. Virundu means the guest. If the husband and wife are having the quarrel, if someone is, the guest is coming inside our house, they have to solve their problem and started to treat the guest in a good manner. That is the condition in the past. Virundu. Finally, the inability. Because how long they can be separated, how long they can be not able to talk with each other, how long they can show their misunderstanding or angry with each other. Some point they have, that is called artramai, inability. These are all the reasons are there to solve the love quarrel. So a big formula is there. Kolaivalal, Panan, Padini, Kuthar, Iruvagai Pangar, Ilayor Kandor, நற்றாய் செவிலி, காதல் பரத்தை, காமக்கிழத்தி, காதல் புதல்வன், விருந்து ஆற்றாமை என ஊடல்கள் தீர்க்கும் வாயில்கள் என்ப. This is the grammar by Narkavirasa Nambi in 12th century. So these are all the people or these are all the elements in which we can easily solve the problem between the hero and heroine. So it is necessary. You may ask a question whether that oodal is necessary. Means it is necessary. In between the husband and wife, some misunderstanding have to come. Then only they can easily test their love. How the oodal is, how this quarrel means, it is like a salt in the food. If you are not going to have the salt in the food, it is not tasty. If you are going to add more quantity of food, you are spoiling the food. Likewise, you have to add like a pinch of salt. That is the love quarrel between the husband and wife. It is essential. It is must one. That is why then only you can easily assess yourself and assess your love and affection. So this is the song. So now hero is try to get into the house, but she is not allowing. Immediately he is bringing a guest. That is the situation. So first the description of the house. How the house is. See the beauty. I will go through the song first. Tadamaruppu erumai madanadai kulavi தூண்தொறும் யாத்த காண்தகு நல் இல் கொடுங்குழை பெய்த செழும்செய் பேதை சிறுதாள் செரித்த மெல்விரல் சேப்ப வாழை ஈர்ந்தடி வல்லிதின் வகையி புகை உண்டு அமர்த்த கண்ணள் தகைபெற திரைநுதல் பொறித்த சிறு நுண் பல்வியர் அந்துகில் தலை எமக்கே வருகதில் விருந்தே சிவப்பாளன்று சிறிய முள் எயிறு தோன்ற முறுவல் கொண்ட முகம் காண் அம்மே. This is the song. So first the description of the house, because the hero is not an ordinary person. He is having richness in his family. What type of rich? This song belonging to Marudam. Marudam landscape is fertile land. If you are going to talk about the fertile land, the animals are cow and the cattle. See the house. Tadamaruppu. Tadamaruppu means the horns of the bulls. Erumai means bulls. Maruppu means horns. The curved horns. Every bull is having a curved horns on their head. Tadamaruppu erumai. Along with that erumai, madanadai kulavi, the calf of the bull. The calf of the bull. Madanadai kulavi. Madanadai means the infant calf. Calf means the baby of the cow, but it is too young infant. So madanadai kulavi, both the thing. Thundorum yatta kantagun nallil. In every pillar of the house. Yeah, cow and as well as the calf, both the things are there in every pillar. There are too many pillars in the house. In every pillar, both the cow and as well as the calf are being binded there. So that much richness that hero is having. Nallil, how his wife is, Kodum Kulai Peida. Kulai means earring. Kulai means earring. She is wearing a beautiful earring. Kodum Kulai Peida. Shelunchai Pedai. She is too innocent. Shelunchai Pedai. Pedai means innocent. She is extremely innocent. And Sirus Tal. Tal means ring. She is wearing a very beautiful ring on her finger. Siruthal Serita Melviral, the tender finger. Melviral means the tender finger. Shape, it becoming red. Why, you know? Not because of wearing the ring. Why it becoming red means she is cutting the banana leaf. See, if a girl who is going to cut a banana leaf, because of that, her fingers are turning into red means she is too soft than the banana leaf. See, Siruthal Serita Melviral Sepa Vazhai Irndadi. Vazhai means banana leaf. Vazhai Irndadi. She cuts the leaf because have you seen that banana leaf? In the tip of the leaf, it is very thin, the bottom. In the bottom of the leaf, the stem is very thick. So she is cutting it to make the leaf to keep it on the floor in flat form. Right? Flatly, she wanted to keep that leaf on the floor. For that, she is cutting that rear side of the leaf. So because of that, she strains a lot. Because of that strain, her fingers becoming red. Vazhai Irndadi. Vallidin Vagai, she is making the leaf for the food serving. Vallidin Vagai, Pugayundu Amarnda Kannal. Pugayundu means while she was cooking. Nowadays we are using a lot of modern stoves and that all. In those days only firewoods. So because of that firewood, everywhere you can see the smoke. Pugayundu Amarnda Kannal. Because of the smoke, her eyes are turned into dark. Pugayundu Amarnda Kannal, Tagai Pera. And with all that, Tagai Pera. Pirai Nudal Porita Siru Nun Palvier. On her forehead, lot of spots of sweat. Because she is cooking in a kitchen. In that kitchen, there is no modern gadgets and modern equipment. She was cooking with the help of the firewood. That firewood creates a lot of smoke. Because of the smoke, her eyes turned into dark, and because of the heat, a lot of sweat drops on her forehead, and casually she is wiping the sweat with the help of her four sari. See, Pirainudal Porita Siru Nun Palvier, Antugil Talayin Tudayinal. Antugil the sari, Talayinal the four sari, Tudayinal she's gently wiping off. Nappulandu, that type of character having the angry with me. Nappulandu, Ennai Pulandu. Pulattal means having angry. So she is having angry with me. So that is the reason I am not able to go into that house. This is the implied meaning. Nappulandu. She is having angry with me because see the entire description of the house. They are not poor, they are very rich. In everywhere you can see the cow and its calf. And she is beautifully cooking. And she is wearing lot beautiful golden earring. And she is wearing the ring. Even while she was cooking, she was wearing the ring, means that shows her richness. Normally, while people are cooking at home, they don't wear the golden ornaments. They will be as simple as. But it is not like that. While she is cooking, she is wearing the golden ornaments. So she is having that much richness with her. So they are not poor. They are not in poverty. And they are really rich. And she is cooking. And she is actually trying to invite the people to feed. For that, she is cutting the banana leaf and that all. Then she is having the angry with the hero wife. Nappulandu. Why she is having the angry? Because of not poverty. That hero is not earning. That's why she is getting angry. These are all not the reason. That hero is having a affair. So she is not at all interested to expose that affair. So she is indirectly showing her angriness to him. Don't come to my house. I do not want to see you. It is unfair. You are all always having some sort of extra affair. How many times I advised you? You are not able to follow my advice. You are not interested to hear what I am saying. But you are all maintaining your own routine. Then how can I be able to tolerate this? So don't come to my house. It is not necessary. Because you are not having a proper behavior. Many times I have told you, you are not following it. So don't come to my house. So that is called Nappulandu. Pulattal means the misunderstanding. She is having the angry because all other angries are coming under the general category. Pulattal means it is only based on Shingaram. See that word. Angry is a general term. In Tamil it is called Kovam. If you are going to say Kovam, Kovam may have a lot of reasons. But Pulattal means it is only reason is Sringaram. I am here for you to give the pleasure. But you do not want to have the pleasure with me. But you are going to enjoy and have the pleasure somewhere else outside. So that is the reason she is having the angry with him. Nappulandu. So hero feels this is the main reason she is having the angry. That is the reason. So pulattal means you have to use only for shingara. Pinak means misunderstanding, you can use it for elsewhere. Oodal and pulattal, you have to use it only in shingara. Nappulandu, what she does. Nappulandu, attilole amma. If I am going to ask her, please give me the food. I am here not only, I am alone. I am coming with a guest. He said, Attilole amma arivai yamakke varugadil virunde. Oh, my guest, please come along with me. She is, though having the angry with me, she will not ill-treat you. She will not definitely ill-treat you. Oh, guest, please come along with me. By way of seeing you all, how she behaves. Yamakke varugadil virunde shivappal andru. She will not show her angry face. Sivappal andru siriya mul yeyiru thondra. She will smiles beautifully. Siriya mul yeyiru thondra. Yeyiru means gum. Mul means the white thorn. Like it is representing here her teeth. Siriya mul yeyiru thondra. Muruval konda mugan kanamme. Muruval means smiles. So by way of seeing the guest, she will not sustain in the angry mood. Automatically she will change her mood and she will invite you. If she is going to invite you, I will be also coming along with you. That is the way, that is the only way I can solve her angry. Then after that, we will be happy. So here the hero is using the guest as a tool to solve his problem. So she is having the angry. She is having the angry with the hero because the hero is not at all sincere to her. That's why she wants to treat a lesson to him. So she is not allowing him inside of the house. This is rightly known by the hero. Automatically he is inviting his guest. Because if I am going alone, definitely I will not get into the house. If you are all coming with me, definitely she will eagerly coming out and invite you all. That is the only way I can solve the angry of her. So please come. So she will not definitely show her angriness. She will smile at you. She will treat you well. Please come. That is the reason she is arranging the food and she is trying to serve the food. For that purpose only she is cutting the banana leaf and that all. So please come. So the hero, in order to avoid the problem, in order to avoid the love quarrel with the heroine, he is using the guest as a tool. So this is the quality of the hero in those days. Though that hero is committing mistake, it is a little bit difficult for him to solve. Automatically he is inviting a guest. By way of seeing the guest in those days, treating the guest is the topmost prioritized job in the family life. I will give you one more quote from Silappadigaram. Kovalan was asking Kannagi, is there any problem? Because I was not able to live with you for many years. Immediately Kannagi was telling, I lost certain things. What are they? Aravorku alithalum, andanar ombalum, Turavorku edirthalum, Tollor sirappin virundu edir kodalum ilanda ennai. These are all the things a family man have to take care. Aravor kadithal andanarukku kodukkaradhu idella. I lost those things. So that is the only problem. So in those days, treating the guest is a very, very important job. So that is the reason hero decided to solve his problem. If he goes alone, definitely he will not be treated well by the heroine. In order to avoid that rupture, he is taking the guest to the house. So the guest also having the little problem. Immediately hero says, you need not bother. She will not show the angry face to you all. By way of seeing the guest, she automatically smiles at you and she will treat you well. Please come inside. So this is the way how hero is solving the love quarrel with the heroine. The word nappulanduna, pulattal என்பது சிங்காரத்துக்கு மட்டும் உண்டான சொல். வேற எதுலயும் பயன்படுத்தக்கூடாது. அந்த புலத்தல் என்பது இந்த அவங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய காதல்ல ஏதாவது சிக்கல் வந்தால், அதனால வள்ளுவர் கூட அதை என்ன சொல்லுவார்னா புலவி நுணுக்கம்னுவர். அதுங்க 2 பேருக்கு மட்டுமே தான் தெரியும். அவர்களுக்கு இடையே உண்டான கோபத்திற்கு காரணம் சிங்காரமா இருந்தா அவர்கள் மட்டுமே புரிந்து கொள்ளக்கூடியதா இருக்கும். மற்றவர்களுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. ஆகவே நப்புலந்து அவள் என் மீது புலத்தலை கொண்டிருக்கிறாள். அவள் என் மீது புலத்தலை கொண்டிருப்பதற்கு காரணம் அவளுக்கு உரிய காலத்துல நான் மட்டுமே தருதற்குண்டான மகிழ்ச்சியை தர முடியல. அதனால அவளுக்கு புலவி ஏற்படுறது. அதை வெளியே வேற யார்கிட்டையும் சொல்ல முடியாது. அப்ப அந்த நப்புலந்துன்ற ஒரு சொல்ல சங்க இலக்கியத்துல ஒவ்வொரு சொல்லும் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அந்த நப்புலந்து அந்த சொல் எந்த இடத்துல பயின்று வருகிறதோ, ஆகவே நப்புலந்துன்னா என் மீது அவளுக்கு சிங்காரத்தினால் வந்த கோபம். இந்த சிங்காரத்தினால் வந்த கோபம்னா என்ன விதத்துல வேணாலும் காமிக்கும். இப்ப உதாரணம் சொல்றேன், எல்லாருமே எல்டர்லி பீப்புள் தானே. அவ டிமாண்ட் பண்ண போது இஃப் த டிமாண்ட் இஸ் நாட் சப்ளைடு ப்ராப்பர்லி கோபம் வரலாம். அவ ஆசைப்பட்டிருக்கலாம், அந்த ஆசைப்பட்ட போது இவன் அந்த ஆசையை ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணாம இருக்கலாம். ஒண்ணு. ரெண்டாவது, அவ தன்னுடைய டிசைரை கொஞ்சம் ஓப்பனா சொல்லாம பை வே ஆஃப் கம்யூனிகேட் இன்டைரக்டா சொல்லலாம். அதை இவன் ப்ராப்பரா புரிஞ்சிக்காம இருக்கலாம். புலத்தலுக்கு நிறைய ரீசன்ஸ் இருக்கு இலக்கியங்கள்ல. அவ தன்னுடைய டிசைரையோ தன்னுடைய ஆசையையோ குறிப்பா சொல்லலாம், அந்த குறிப்பை இவன் புரிஞ்சிக்காம இருக்கலாம். ஒண்ணு. மூணாவது, இந்த
So is it not necessary that he has gone to another woman in these contexts?
இல்ல, அது வந்து ஃபைனல். நீங்க எத்தனை விதமா இந்த புலத்தலுக்கு காரணம் சொல்லணுமோ அத்தனையும் சொல்லலாம். பரத்தையர் பிரிவுன்றது ஒரு காரணம். நீங்க பரத்தையர் பிரிவா காமிக்காம கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சு பாருங்க. இவனை பரத்தையர் பிரிவுக்கு காமிக்காம இவனுடைய பிரிவை, இவனுடைய ஊடல, இவனுடைய மிஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்க ஒரு ஜெனுயினா காமிக்கணும்னு வச்சு. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இதுக்கு நான் நிறைய சில ரொம்ப அழகான சினிமா கோட்லாம் சொல்ல முடியும் என்னால. பழைய கால சினிமால இருந்து நிறைய கோட் சொல்ல முடியும். ஏன்னா இந்த 2 பேருக்குள்ள புலவிதான் முக்கியங்க. நப்புலந்து 2 பேருக்கு நடுவுல புலவி இருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான். புலவிக்கு காரணம்ன்றது உங்க சஞ்சாரி தான். நீங்க அந்த புலத்தலுக்கு காரணம் இவனுக்கு வேற ஒரு அஃபயர் இருந்தது, அது ஒரு காரணம். அதுவும் ஒரு காரணம். இல்ல அவளுக்கு உண்டு, ஹீரோயினுக்கு உண்டான டிமாண்ட் இருந்த பொழுது அந்த டிமாண்ட இவன் ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணல, 2வது காரணம். மூணாவது, அவ சில சைன் லாங்குவேஜ் மூலமா தன்னுடைய டிசைரை சொல்லி இருக்கலாம், அதை அவன் புரிஞ்சுக்காம போயிருக்கலாம். 4வது, இன்னும் நிறைய ரீசன் சொல்லுவேன். 4வது, இஃப் தே ஆர் ஹேவிங் தட் லவ் மூட் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது தலைவனை சார்ந்த கெஸ்ட் யாருன்னா வீட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்கலாம். So you can develop the situation.
Sorry, what is the fourth? Fourth is basically she wants to spend time with her husband, but a guest has come.
Guest in her husband side guest vandirpa adhan kovam.
Okay.
See the beauty. Husband side guest vandirpa. Iva side guest vanda kavalapattukka maata. Husband veliya varti adha vaindu va idha vaindu va nanichiruva. The misunderstanding between the two, you may bring lot and lot more of details. Not only the extramarital affair for the hero. That is one of the reasons. Even that hero may not able to understand the heroine's demand. Or even the heroine is going on passing some signals to have the pleasure that may not be rightly noticed by the hero or not in a position to understand in a proper sense. These are all the reasons the heroine is having the misunderstanding with the hero. That is the reason for the love quarrel. Not only the extramarital affair. That is the last result. That is the last result. Because even though we are all family people, we are having lot and lot more of reason to create the love quarrel, right? With our husband or the husbands are having the love quarrel with their wives. There are many reasons. Even a single word is enough. If that hero is concentratedly working somewhere else, if the heroine wants to divert again, finished. That fellow will get extraordinarily angry and started to telling that wife and say, get out. Then automatically what happened, 1 or 2 days, the heroine will also keeping away from the hero. One fine day, they have to move closer and they have to understand each other automatically. So this is called Pulavi. So we need not say that the hero is having an extramarital affairs. Because of that she is having that angry. That too also a reason, but at the same time that alone is not the reason. That alone is not the reason. That too, that may be also. Because don't think that all the Sangam age heroes are having some extramarital affairs. Because of that, the heroines are having that misunderstanding and angry with the hero. Not necessary. Even for example, the hero would have promised the heroine, I will be coming in time. We will have some fun or we will go somewhere else. But that hero may not be able to maintain the time. He came late. Because of that, that may be the first chance she will forgive. If it will be continuing for 2 or 3 days, what will happen? She will get angry. Then why you are unnecessarily telling me be ready by evening 5 o'clock, we will go somewhere else and that all. But one day, not even a single day, you are not turning up rightly. Then what is the purpose of saying to me in the morning? So these are all the problems. So not maintaining the punctuality, not maintaining the promise. Even the Diwali is approaching, he is not purchasing you the gift. Right? You may have your own demand of 30 to 40,000 rupees worth of saree. He may be buying for 10,000 worth of sarees. Automatically you will get angry. There are many reasons. There are many reasons. So I'm giving some examples. So in order to avoid that love quarrel, there are many people are there to solve it. That is the reason I was telling the Pan and Tori and so on. But here the guests are the best people to solve the quarrel between the two.
So here,
pardon?
Sorry, sir. The Ketpur is the guest, sir.
No, here the Ketpur Talaivan is talking to the guests. Yeah, Talaivan, the hero is talking to the guest. So she is my heroine. She is not allowing me. Because of that angry what she is maintaining with me, I am taking you to my house. You need not bother. By way of seeing the guest, she will not show her angry. Her face will not go into red. Please come. She will treat you well. So this is the promise hero is giving to the guests. Because they are the best, what do you call, in Tamil we used to say, they are the Sandhu Sayyardula, compromise Pandradula, they are the best people in those days.
Arbitrator.
Arbitrator. Legal term is arbitrator. Arbitration is the legal term. Arbitrators legal, they do not care about either the prosecution or defense. They will be thinking of their own benefit. Here the guest is not like that. They are not the arbitrator. They used to help out. That is the quality of the guest in those days. That is the reason even in those old literature, the guests are not supposed to entertain in the house if anybody is single in the house. If the husband is alone, the guest won't come. If the wife alone is there, they won't come. For example, we can go and see the Periya Puranam. Sirudanda is in search of the guest to feed. So he is on the roads, going on searching. At the time, Lord Shiva came as a guest to Sirudanda's house. Sirudanda's wife inviting him, he said immediately, no, I will not be entering into your house because your husband is not in the house. Though I am the guest, in the absence of your husband, I will not entering into the house. I will go and sit nearby the tree. Whether your husband has come, please inform him. He will come and call me. So that is the system in those days. That's why I told the Kannagi story also. Kannagi, what she was saying, without you, you are not with me for many years. Because of that, I was not able to do any rituals or any ethical things to the people in the society. So those days it was the culture. So automatically, if you are going to invite a guest, you have to talk with each other. The husband has to talk with the wife, and wife has to talk with the husband. Automatically, they will give up their angry, they will give up their pulavi, and they becoming ordinary people. So that is the reason they are inviting the guest. So he is telling to the guest, you need not bother, oh guest, because of you, she will not show her angry face at all. She will smilingly inviting you all, and she will serving you well. So please come. She just prepared her food. All these, because this fellow was standing out of those and watching what she is doing. So he is able to see how she is cooking and how she is going to prepare all the food and that all, everything watched by him. So this is the high time. This is the right time to solve the problem. So immediately go and bring some guests and wanted to go inside of the house.
Sir, so if I have to do for this choreography, sir, can we start like, will this particular plot be all right? So I walk in as a hero, and then I see that she's upset, and then is it okay if I wonder why do you think she's upset?
No, even not even you can think, or otherwise, just once you get into the house, she is totally ignoring you.
Ah.
By way of saying that, automatically you will get why she is ignoring me. Then you start to think that may be the Sanchari.
Adan. So, Adavanda, there might be a possibility. Did she see me speaking to that other lady?
Yeah, that's right.
Or that day she called me, I forgot. So, two, three possibilities like that.
Everything. What made her too angry? You can think of lot and lot more of branch stories and start to think what made her angry. Then
yeah.
we can.
So, either way, now I don't know what might be the reason, but I have to make her all right.
Yeah,
so, what shall we do? Then you see the friend. And then you go and speak to the friend. You know what? Look at her. She's
after every incident, you can come back to the song again. Because you think once, is there any misunderstanding? Is that reason? Now she is cooking well. She is wearing the golden earring, having the ring on her finger, and she is doing the proper cooking. Then what made her angry with me? Every stage you can compare the present position and the past.
So is the guest already invited?
No. So you can compare the present and past. Finally, you can understand. So it is not a thing to solve with myself alone. Then he is going out and bring the guest. Because in those days, after completing the cooking and that all, you have to go and call the guest and serve the food to them first. Then only you have to eat. That was the culture in those days.
So how do you see that ring in the finger in the present situation?
Because because she is having the angry with me, but at the same time she is doing her routine jobs. She is doing her routine things.
So she's not angry with anyone else, but only with me.
Only with me. So she is normal with everyone, but she is having angry with me. Why? Why only with me? That is the reason. For that, you can go on develop your imagination, because she is dressing well and wearing the golden earring and that all, and wearing the ring also, and she is preparing the food very beautifully. And after completing the cooking, she used to invite the guests from outside. For that, she is cutting the banana leaves and make it as a plate for everyone. So everything is doing well, but not she is talking to me. Why? Because the ladies are not supposed to go out and call the guest. So only the hero has to go. So everything is fine. So hero is going out and calling the guest. He is telling to him, you need not bother. Though she is having an angry mood with me, it will not be reflecting on you. You please come.
So the first time he hasn't entered the house.
Yeah.
He's yet outside. And the other question I had, sir, I find it intriguing that she says, don't come inside my house. It's his house also, no, sir.
No, this is the, I'll tell you. See, If, for example, if she is going to say, don't touch me, means, is he not belonging to his property? See, this is the simple, this is called the love quarrel. It not having that intention not to touch, not to invite, not to come, not to accept. It is a love quarrel. Because as long as she is going on dodging him, then he will go on increasing his begging attitude. That's all.
Sir, Nappulandu vandu, how is it exactly only due to affairs, sir? It can be any other reason.
That's why I said, Nappulandu means not only the external marital affairs, for any reason. But she is not having the proper understanding with the hero. Reason may anything.
And it is due to a Shringara, I mean the concept is
only Shringara, that's all.
Okay.
The Pulattal means having that inner core meaning is Shringara. So she is not willing to go and join with him. Or she is not willing to give the pleasure to him. Why? Why she is not like that? Why she is behaving like that? That is the question by the hero. So Pulattal means that word belonging to Shringaram alone.
So initially when he's trying to come in, sir, and the heroine is asking him to go out, she can angrily ask him to go out as
he ignores. Even because if he is coming inside of the house, if he is not noticed properly, that itself a problem. Right? The hero is coming inside of the house. He is not properly noticed by the heroine, not properly giving the respect, not properly, even a word hello, automatically hero will get some sort of doubt. Why she is not showing any smiling face at me? What is the problem? So even it is not necessary get out what the word is supposed to say. Even ignores. She is not at all recognizing his presence at home. That is enough. So, automatically the problem will mount in you. Why she is ignoring me? What is the reason? Is there any mistake I committed? Is there any problem? Automatically you start to think in multiple angles. So even if you go and approach her and ask what is the reason, are you not well? Even then she is not giving the proper answer. Again she ignores you. Automatically the pain will increase in you. So you started to think why she is indifferent to me. Automatically you think in that way. The reason for the indifference. So you started to think in the past. So because of this only, because of that only, what made it happen? All these things it will come to your brain. So Nappulandu means why she is indifferent, why she is not willing to talk to me, why she is not showing a smiling face to me, why she is not cordially talking to me. All these things will come under that one word Nappulandu. கேக்குறோம்ல என் மீது என்ன அவளுக்கு வருத்தம் என் மீது அவளுக்கு என்ன கோபம் why she is behaving like this. There are many reasons. ஒவ்வொன்னா நீங்க யோசிக்கலாம் அதெல்லாம் சஞ்சாரியில காமிக்கலாம். Every reason you can show it in Sanchari. Because of this, because of that, it is not possible. Annike adu solve aayidute. Last week I was having some problem with this. No, last week itself I solved it. She accepted it. Then what is the reason? Maybe yesterday is there something on that day. You can start to think some other event. Automatically you can bring forth the ideas and say what is the reason for her anger. So the aim is here she is having the angry. She is ignoring him. In order to avoid that, the hero is bringing the guest. That's all. Only 3 important points. She is having the indifference with the hero. 1. Hero wants to solve that too. For that he is bringing the guest. This is the 3 points alone you have to see. For that you have to fabricate the story. Because you may think because of he is not earning properly, that may be the reason for the heroine to have the angry on him. No, they are very rich. வீட்டுல எத்தனை தூண் இருக்கோ அத்தனை தூண்லயும் எருமையும் கன்றுமா கட்டி போட்டிருக்கு. அதான் வார்த்தை தூண் தொகு யாத்த காண்தகு நல்லில். வீட்டுல எத்தனை தூண்கள் இருக்கோ, தூண்னா pillars. There are too many pillars in the house. Every pillar is bonded with a bull or a cow and a calf. That much rich they are having. So money is not the criteria. The hero is not earning, so he is not properly giving some money to the house. All these things are totally out. That is not the reason for the angry. Then what is the reason? Because basically they are rich, so money is not the criteria. Then what is the reason? So is she in poverty, or is she demanding something even while she is cooking, wearing that golden ornament? That much richness she is having. She is wearing the golden earrings and as well as the ring in her finger. All these things, it shows she is good wealth, having good wealth. And another thing, see the beauty. She is wiping the sweat with the help of her forced saree. So she is casual. She is casual because that is a routine thing. So all other activities she is doing routinely. Only thing is she is avoiding. All the things she is doing routinely. The lady's attitude, whenever they are having a sweat in the kitchen, they need not go for the kerchief or a towel. Automatically they will take the forced saree and wipe their face. It is quite common.
Sir, why is she upset, sir?
Huh?
Why is she upset? If she is okay with everyone else and everything else, but only with this fellow,
Then you have to, that is the reason.
it cannot be an extramarital affair, sir.
No,
Don't be
no,
so
that is,
casual.
no, that is the reason. Nappulandu term. Why she is having that indifference? என்கிட்ட மாத்திரம் எதுக்கு கோவப்பட்டு இருக்காத? அதான் கேள்வி. நப்புலந்துன்னா எண்ணெய் புலந்து. எண்ணெய் புலந்து. Why she is having the indifference only with me?
She'd have been just dissatisfied with him.
You can left your own imagination. That is the reason poet is not willing to give the reason. It is left to the audience imagination. You can imagine any level. That's why I told it may be an extramarital affair. Or you already told, you may told me, right? She would have seen the hero with some other girl in somewhere else. There are many reasons. Even she is demanding something that is not rightly purchased by the hero in time. That may be the reason. So many things are there. So many things are there. So that is the reason why she is having the indifference only with me. Nappulandu. மத்தவ யார்கிட்டயும் கோபம் இல்லை அவளுக்கு. அவ ரொட்டீனா எல்லா வேலையும் செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கா. எல்லா வேலையும் ரொட்டீனா செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கா. சமைக்கிறா. சமைக்கும் போது அந்த வேர்வை எல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப கேஷுவலா புடவையில தொடச்சுக்கிறா. வாழை மரத்துல இருந்து வாழை இலைய அருந்து கொண்டு வந்து சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு பக்குவமா கீழே விரிக்கிறா. ஈர்ந்து அந்த அடித்த தண்டை எடுத்துட்டு சமனா இலைய வச்சு பரிமாறுறதுக்கு தயாரா இருக்கா. தென் சாப்பிட போகும்போது கூட இலையெல்லாம் போட்டாச்சு சாப்பிடவா. நீங்க வீடுகள்ல பார்க்கலாம். இந்த புலத்தலுக்கு if the husband and wife are having some sort of misunderstanding, if the couples are having a child at home, automatically they will talk to the child. He will call the child, go and ask your amma if that food is ready. This baby will go and see the mother's face. Immediately mother say, ella ready varsollu. So again that the baby will come to the father. The sound immediately heard by the father. Father will go and he will start. Again the child will go to the mother's place. Immediately the mother will come and serve the food without talking. So the mediator is the child. How long? If that husband is going to eat the food, if there is lack of salt, come and to சாப்பாட்டுல உப்பு இல்ல அப்படின்னு, then hero will shout at him, போதும் போதும், உப்பெல்லாம் போட்டு ரொம்ப உணக்கையெல்லாம் இருக்க வேண்டாம், அது எவ்வளவு போட்டாலும் உணக்க வராது. They will talk directly then. Automatically they will give up their anger. This is the situation. That is the reason, because you need to have a reason to, to solve the problem. How long you can continue with the problem? This is the understanding. If you are having a love quarrel, it is essential. It is essential.
Sir,
In those
inge vandu how do we bring in the Tinai, sir?
Marudam means udal.
Okay.
Marudam means udal. It's a love quarrel between the husband and wife. The reason may be anything. One. And the Marudam land-based animal is Erumai. Erumai means the bull and the calf. That is there. All this, so we can easily trace the Tinai is there. Then Uriporul means what is the basic reason for it, the misunderstanding. That is Uriporul Udal. That too also there.
Sir, what are the other elements, sir? Like landscape, time zone, season,
So once you are going to bring the guest in the only in the morning only, not in the evening. So guest will come only in the morning. So it is morning time. That is the time zone for Marudam. All the 6 seasons are accepted in Marudam. So any season, it is not a big deal. So it is a fertile land. That is the reason the house is having a lot of bull and cows and calves. So these are all the Karupurul are presented. And she is bringing the banana leaf, that is Valai belonging to Marudam. So everything is mentioned very neatly. So Nappulandu, the term they are having the misunderstanding.
Sir, God and the 14 elements, the God of Marudam.
14 venuma, one God.
Marudamku God yaar, sir?
Marudathukku God Indran. Lord Indra. There are 14 elements for every land. They are all known as Karupurul. One is the God of the land. For Marudam, it is Indra. Then executive class of the land, that is Nilakira, landlords. Working class of the land, regular agriculturalist peasants. Then on the land kundana flower, Marudam nilathu kundana flower is lotus. On the land kundana animal, cows and buffaloes. On the land kundana tree, Valai and drumsticks in the Mari Valai Murungai. On the land kundana tree. On the land kundana water resources, well water and river water. So anga irukakudi occupation, cultivation, entertainment, kuravai kuttu. அங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய food வந்து anything made out of rice. அங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய யாழ் வந்து மருத யாழ். அங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய drum வந்து மருத பறைன்னு பேரு, இல்லைன்னா கிணைன்னு பேரு. கிணை. பண்ணு மருதப்பண். All the 14s you can follow.
Sir, this is a more general question. So இதெல்லாம் tune பண்றச்சே வந்து have you tried to do it with the pun, I mean the without the ragams?
Even that Marudha pun nowadays it is equivalent to raga. You can take Mayamala Hogavade, nobody is going to question you.
Okay.
See, this is the major problem. Even I already told the people while I am teaching Silappatikaram, we are having a problem in the music history. It is not having any continuity at all. What the music was in Sangam age, we do not know. Though we are knowing the name of the pun and that all, we do not know how to render that pun. After Sangam age, what are the puns in Silappatikaram? We are knowing only in numbers. Ilangovadigal and as well as Adiyarkanallar says, there are 11,991 puns. That's all. We know only the number. We do not know not even a single pun name. After Silappatikaram, we are having puns in Tevaram. In Tevaram, there are only 23 puns are there. That too also given by Jnana Sambandar, that's all. And we do not know how to render it. Even when Rajaraja Cholan and Nambiyandar Nambi collected those Devaram, he found a person who was in the lineage of Tirunelagandar. With the help of that lady, somewhat they cooked the entire pun and started to sing in the temple. That tradition only we are having now. Whether it is right or wrong, we do not know. It is Rajaraja Cholan and Nambiyandar Nambi formed this, and every temple started to sing in that manner. This is the tradition we are following even today. Whether they are right or wrong, we do not know. After 14th century, the whole pun system gone, and we are using the ragam. So there are a lot of problem in the music history. So if you are going to tune that song according to the theme or according to the meaning, whatever the raga is comfortable for you, you can. Because I am doing like that only. So I am not waiting for the traditional thing and that all. Because this song is giving this type of pathos. According to that mood, what will be the best raga, then I will go and ask my wife to score. She will be doing it for me. That's all. In that only way she is taking my words.
Sir. Sir.
Sir.
Sorry.
Sir, one question. So what is the finale, sir? So does it mean the heroine accepts him and invites him home along with the guest?
Exactly.
Or
that is okay. I was waiting for that question from anyone else. You asked me rightly. Because in Agapadal, extension meaning is very important. The end of the song, the heroine accepted the hero. So you can complete the song. After taking the food, the guests are happily coming out of the house. The hero is keeping his hand around the shoulder of the heroine and going inside of the house. So it means the problem is solved. So in Agapadal, whenever you are going to work it on an Agapadal, please wait for the extension of the meaning. Because the song will not complete by way of giving that extension meaning. The song's meaning is different. What the meaning you need to impose or need to tell to the audience, that is different. So automatically you have to show they are happy. After treating the guest, both the hero and heroine are happy. They are accepting each other. They thrown their love quarrel. They becoming one.
Sir, I was just wondering, you mentioned Maya Malava Gaule. Is there a reason why you selected Maya Malava Gaule?
No. It is because the song is Maya Malava Gaule. I may be because Yanaka in the mood.
Okay. The personal choice.
You can select whatever. For example, சில பாட்டுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப மாடர்னா இருக்கிற ராகம் கூட போட்டிருக்கேன். உதாரணம் சுபாலின்னு ஒரு ராகம் போட்டிருக்கேன் ஒரு பாட்டுக்கு. அது வந்து சங்க இலக்கியத்துக்கு தான். ஹீரோயினுடைய லெமெண்ட சொல்றதுக்கு உண்டான பாட்டு அது. ஏன் சுபாலினாக்க சுபவந்துவராளியே சோகம். அதுல பாவை எடுத்துட்டா சுபாலி. இன்னும் சோகமா இருக்கும்.
Okay.
So just இது எனக்கு இந்த டியூன் இந்த ஐடியா கொடுத்தது யாருனாக்க ப்ரொஃபசர் பசுபதி ஆஃப் கலாக்ஷேத்ரா. அவர்தான் முதல்ல எனக்கு சுபாலி இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணார். அதுக்கப்புறம் பாலை நிலத்துல இருக்கிற சோக பாட்டுக்கெல்லாம் சுபாலி ரொம்ப அழகா ஜெல்லாச்சு.
So did he revive this ragam or did he discover invent?
No, it is already there in the list.
Okay.
And when I was working with him for Tirukural project with Dhananjayan Anna, for particular Tirukuralukku vandu he put Subali.
Very nice.
Then I was asking, sir, in the pathos room effective arke, what is this raga nu keten. Enakku konjam bandhu subabandhurali mari kekkuradhu enna. Exactly adha paava eduthu appdinga.
Okay.
Paava varjam panna subabandhuralila paava varjam panna Subali form agum. So anala I am not a genius in music and that all. எனக்கு சிலதை கேட்டு இந்த மூடுக்கு இந்த ராகம் கொஞ்சம் ஷூட் ஆகுமே. Why don't you இந்த ராகத்துல போட்டு பாடி காமி. அவ்வளவுதான், ட்ரையல் அண்ட் எரர் தான். Nothing is fixed. இது நன்னா இருக்குன்னா you can continue. நானே இப்ப சங்கமேஜிக்கா இருக்கேன்னா மியூசிக் போடும்போது அதான் சொல்லுவேன், வானதியும் சொல்லுவான், I will score, just you listen. If you want to change, let me know. I will change it and give it. Very simple. இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆயிடும், சில பேருக்கு சில ராகம் ரொம்ப மூட் ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கும் ஃபீல் பண்ணுவா, அவ சாய்ஸுக்கு விடலாம். சங்க இலக்கிய நிச்சயமா கோச்சிக்காது. அதனால you can use any raga. அந்த மூடுக்கு சூட்டபிளான ராகாவா இருந்தா well and good. That's all.
So if there are anyone else with doubts, you can ask.
Waiting.
Otherwise,
If anybody is asking,
we can move into the next song also.
Right.